Hi everyone, so today receiving another item, so let's unboxing it and see what inside. Okay guys, so yeah, and also yep, got a congratulation card from the seller. Thank you very much. Okay, there you go. Well, this is the new casting from Hotwheels, which is the Hotwheels Wagon, and so I'm not buying in set. I'm just buying this. I only buy this version, which is the Audi RS6 Avant, because I really like this model, the details. So this card, okay, this is the Hot Wheels Wagon. Let's open it up. Alright, really high detail. Clean finish, nice rim. Yep, there you go. So thanks for watching guys. See you again soon. Bye.